Alright, young world, what it do? Y'all already know it's your boy Vague, and I'm back with another episode of Real Street Investigations. And we've been talking about the Titanic and the Titan connection. Alright, it's part 3 right here. We want to dive into characters. Okay. I'm still on a, is they really gone? Or did something else happen? Kind of feeling like how I felt about when I first heard Tupac passed away. I remember that. I was devastated, y'all, when I first heard Tupac passed away. And I was kind of in, in denial. Till years pass on and you start to realize even if they ain't going, they're going to us, because we'll never see them again, right? Got Stockton Rush, P.H. Nagalay, Hamish Hart, and Dawood. Millionaires and billionaires. So they are not God, but I'm gonna assume they know what they is doing. You see, this is my thing. Then they say Cyclops 1 was made out of carbon fiber. Why did that never have any fails? It's like, soon as he started, getting to that Titanic, someone didn't want Stockton around that vessel. And especially operating privately. See, I believe Stockton probably was alerted to something, right? They probably didn't want them to classify this maybe he knew they would have rigged his sub up and put something on it, you know what I mean? I'm telling you. It seemed like he never had a problem with the other sub he built. I seriously doubt he had a problem with Titan. Seems like certain people only made it down to the Titanic. If you know what I know, you know what you understand. You understand? I shouldn't even have to dive deep into it for the ones that know. Seriously, because for the simple fact, y'all know how the gov get down. Stockton Rush's wife is related directly to one of the richest families that perished on that boat, on that ship. She's related directly to one of the families that opposed on a USA Federal Reserve. So was 3 other families on that shit. You know what happened after those families perished? We researched the Federal Reserve was brought to you a year later. There's been talked about all types of hits on the Titanic, and I believe it. That's why I believe it is. They listen, more than all that physics shit they be talking, 16 square miles of pressure and all this shit, right? Sounds very credible and very scary. More important, his ass was down there though, and he made it through. See? You just don't want your ass down there. Because more than anything, all that type of environment, they will like for it to be a controlled environment. It's on international waters. So, he was allowed to do whatever they was talking about, right? Who is the Titanic company that owns all the artifacts to it? Like, who's that? Like, somebody get in the comments, please. Please like, share, or subscribe. Please join the channel as well. Who owns the Titanic artifacts? Like, the parts you are able to collect? Like, who is that? Somebody, please, that's more educated than me, please get in the comments and let me know. And how do you obtain such a thing? Like, how do you go about that? How do you go about buying parts of the Titanic underwater? Please get in the comments and let me know. Please tell a friend, man. Join the channel. Nothing but full of wise men. Get ready for the new apparel, the new VB apparel. That's it's coming out this fall, y'all. I've been working, I've been grinding. Please stay tuned. New website officially in the making. A lot of things is under construction. But let's get back to the topic. I believe it's a possibility that Stockton and them might have been targeted under the water. Yeah. You ever hear about how certain guys was warned not to get on that sub that day? Like, Hamish Harden was warned very, very clearly by Victor Vescovo not to get on to that boat. Patrick Leahy, CEO of Triton Submersibles, warned P.H. Nagale not to get on that submersible. It's almost like they cried out to these guys. Like, if they knew it was gonna happen or something was gonna happen. See, go look at Victor Vescovo's story, and look at Stockton's. Now, I don't know who started this race to the ocean first, of trying to open up the ocean for tourists and videographers and all types of stuff. Very brilliant idea. And all I know is where I'm from, the competition gets killed. Please like, share, subscribe. Get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. I'll be back later on with more content. You already know it's your boy, Young.